Hi you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did the ribbon for my son's first birthday / baptism. And I'm not saying this is the correct way of doing it, this is just how I did it. And this is how I found it to be very easy to do. And then I crossed it over with the date and the event on the left. And all I did was add a little dot of hot glue right before the name, and then I just stacked them together. And then I'm going to add another dot of glue here on the back, and then I'm going to slide it to the front and just hold it together until I feel that the glue is no longer hot. And you want to make sure that it's centered and that it looks balanced on both sides. You can always add different layers on the back, and or you can add something in the front. I'm adding a little cross, so it just adds some layers to it. I use different color crosses, but I run out on some other ones, so I'm just placing these ones for now so I can show you guys the video. But I am going to be updating you guys with the video of my baptism setup so that way you guys can see how it looks. Thanks for watching.